TD, what are you doing?
A triangle tower? I still think triangles make a stronger column than circles.
Let me try my squares too.
Hey, what are you making?
Shape columns.
And I think triangles will be the strongest.
Since circles were the strongest columns standing up, let's test them lying flat. Bridge challenge.
Oh, good idea.
Sure, let's do a bridge challenge. Done!
Done!
Triangle bridge.
Circle bridge.
And square bridge.
It's challenge time.
Who goes first?
Me. My circle was strong as a standing column, so it'll be strong lying flat too.
One,
two, three,
4, 5,
6.
Oh no! It collapsed!
6 blocks. Not bad for a circle.
Oh.
TD, your turn.
You go first, Susu.
Okay. Let me see if my square can make it.
1,
2.
That's only 2 blocks. TD, I am out now. It's your turn.
Okay, triangle showtime.
1,
2,
3,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
Wow, 8 blocks.
Triangles are super strong lying flat.
Yay! Triangles make the strongest bridge.
Every shape is special. What if we combine them?
Ooh, a super shape team up?
Yay! Yay!
Let's do it!
Yeah, it's teamwork time.
Ta-da!
My flat square is a perfect floor.
And supported by my triangle.
Held up by my strong circle columns.
Yay! The bridge is nicely done.
With our shapes.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Wow,
It's
super strong.
Yay, it's not ball. High five! High five! Together!
We're strong.
Subscribe.